So we'll find the length of this one. Again, no units on this one. If they did have units, would make sure to label our answer. But it appears that our right angle would be here. And of course, they're not going to do any funny business like, hey, this is not, this is a leg or something like that. But what we have is a missing leg right here. Oh no, that sounds kind of bad. A leg that's a value we don't know. So we're going to say we got the two legs of x and 10. But this time we have a hypotenuse value of 15. So, of course, we can solve this. It's just we're going to have to use more principles of equality to solve it. So we're going to, the square of the legs added together is going to equal the hypotenuse as a square. And evaluating these, 10 to the power of 2 is going to give us 100. Guess we've seen that one already. And 15 to the power of 2, 225, I believe. So now, here's what I got. I got x squared plus 100 equals 225. So again, this, hopefully we look at this and think, that's not too bad to solve. So let's continue then. Principles of equality. Let's zero out that 100. So minus 100 from both sides. We'll zero that out. And so on the left side, I'm left with the x squared, which now appears to equal 125. So I'm going to need a calculator for this one too. But at this point, to get rid of that square, I'm going to square root the x squared. But if I do it to one side, I must do it to the other side. And that will leave me with just a regular x equals, so in my calculator, square root 125, enter, which gives me, again, this is the exact answer, 5 square root of 5. But we did want the decimal because it said round to the nearest tenth. So again, just at the bottom right of the calculator, push that double arrow button. And I got 11.18033,989. Now, I'm only going to go to the 0 because we only need 2 decimal places. The nearest, oh, this one is the 10th. So I did that kind of wrong there. But the 1, so I look to the right. That 8 is 5 or more, so we're going to add 1 to the 1 in the 10th place value, which gives us a 2. We end up with x equals 11.2. And that appears to be our final answer here. Rounded anyways.